The Royal Thai Air Force has just kicked off the 2025 Tactical Air Operations Test and Evaluation at the Chai Badan Air Weapons Range in Lopburi Province, Thailand. One of the most notable highlights of the event was a rare display of the fully armed Saab JAS-39 Gripen C, showcasing the powerful capabilities of the Thai Air Force. The Gripen C/D, a core asset of the RTAF, was presented with 500-pound Mk-82 general-purpose bombs and a variety of air-to-surface missiles, including CRV-7 and Mk-66, Hydra 70. It was a clear demonstration of the aircraft's operational versatility and the integration of cutting-edge local technologies, like Formula One-inspired fire suppression agents. However, this was more than just a show of force. It also marked a pivotal moment for the future of Thailand's air power. The Gripen C/D is currently serving alongside aging aircraft like the F-16A divided by B and Alpha Jet, which are nearing the end of their service life. Recognizing the need for modernization, Thailand has already committed to a future upgrade with the Gripen E, set to replace the Gripen C/D and aging F-16s in the coming years. The Gripen E takes the legacy of its predecessor to new heights with advanced technology. Featuring the ES-05 Raven radar with AESA capabilities, the Gripen E offers a 200-degree scanning range and improved detection capabilities. The Skyward G infrared search and track system enhances passive detection and tracking, while the MAW-300 electronic warfare system provides top-tier defense against electronic threats. Equipped with modern avionics, a customizable cockpit, and the ability to operate in network-centric warfare, the Gripen E will connect internal sensors and external data feeds for real-time decision-making, improving overall operational efficiency. This new fighter is part of a broader strategy to modernize Thailand's air force while strengthening its domestic defense industry. The Gripen E deal, worth 19 billion baht for the first 4 aircraft, includes technology transfer and industrial investment, ensuring that Thailand becomes more self-reliant in defense manufacturing. The introduction of the Gripen E is not just about modernizing the fleet, it also addresses growing regional security challenges. The ongoing conflict in Myanmar has increased the need for enhanced border surveillance, making the Gripen E a crucial asset in ensuring Thailand's defense capabilities. The event also featured other aircraft, including the Beechcraft at 6th Wolverine, which will soon be deployed for reconnaissance and attack missions. With several aging aircraft still in service, the RTAF's ongoing fleet modernization is more important than ever to meet evolving defense demands. The impressive display of the Gripen C/D at this year's Tactical Air Operations Test, combined with the upcoming arrival of the Gripen E, signals Thailand's commitment to maintaining air superiority while preparing for the future. With cutting-edge technology and strategic planning, the Royal Thai Air Force is ready to take on the challenges of tomorrow.